Okay, welcome to AWS Educate tutorial. So this is student account. When student choose the classroom, they will get this view, which class that created for uh, their study purpose from the lecturer. For example, here lecturer assign the class for fundamental of operating system. Click go to the classroom, then continue. Will be bring to the workbench. It depends on the network speed, because now when using mobile data will be slow compared to using any other network connection. So when you see here, this is the remaining credit that still not utilized. You can utilize it. For this lab, click AWS Console. So you will be bring to the AWS platform. This is console aws.com. So all the AWS services are here. You see a lot of services here. But for the operating system level, I mean we need to install or deploy. You don't need to install, but we just deploy available image inside AWS. So just click EC2, the compute service under EC2. EC2 is an Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, which can we can choose any size of computational speed, processor, CPU, and also storage. Click EC2. So you will see the dashboard of EC2 management console. This is the instant that I have already. But for new instant, you can launch instant here. Click launch instant. Mean you want to deploy new or create new instant. So you see a lot of operating system image available. You have Windows Server. You can choose Windows Server 20H to core base. But for this class, I just want to use Windows Server 2012. It's manageable. So I choose the free tier. Free tier here means you did not charge for the license and specific resources, but they give us freely for CPU, memory, and so on. But if you run it, they will charge in terms of running time. Okay, this one free tier means just using the default one. No need to worry. However, for the production environment, normally you can choose any additional option here. A lot more option, right? Based on the memory, storage, network, and so on. It depends on the application that server hosted. But this one we did not hosted anything else. We just to explore using the free tier enough. Review and launch. Don't worry about the security. Just by default, launch first. So when you want to launch the instance, you need to create the key. Mean the key will be used when you want to access your server remotely from your local machine. I got ready this key pair. However, I want to use different key I can create. For those that newly using this, you need to create new key. You can rename it based on your course name, for example, M or AWS or OS. You can put OS May, for example, 2021. Then you download the key. So this is my key that I will use later. Then launch instead. Okay, now your instance are now launching. You can check the progress, because now you see there are other instance already created in this account. But the last one is the current one. See, still pending, because when you create an instance, you will need to wait until it's running, then you can access it. Most importantly, you take note the public IP address and public IPv4 DNS. This is the thing that you will use to connect to your server later. What is done running mean already complete the launch image. Okay, you can rename it. Maybe for you see, you can put as Windows Server 2 May 2021. You can save it. So that if you're having multiple virtual machine, you can differentiate it based on your name. For production environment, normally they have listed the log for all, yeah, the instance with the IP address, the public and private IP address, and also the security configuration. Okay, I think enough for now. You can refer to another video for connecting your uh, remote instance, okay, from your local machine. Thank you.